How to fix follow limit reached on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, there are various reasons why Facebook shows you follow limit reached option. So go ahead and firstly tap on your profile icon or the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your name. Here, you will see the option for following. Tap on that and you can then go ahead and unfollow accounts that you no longer want or you have very less interaction with, as if you are near or at 5,000 followers, then you have to unfollow someone first in order to be able to follow more people. So simply go ahead and tap on the three dots you see there and then tap on the remove follower option. You can also try to delete old pages and spam profiles, as these will free up space for your following list. Next, you can go ahead and stop following too quickly. So if you have followed way too many people back to back, then Facebook might send you the too many follow request, follow limit reached error. So make sure not to follow a lot of people at once. And if you have followed a lot of people, then you can try to wait for 24 to 72 hours before following more people. You can also then go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook, and make sure the Facebook application is updated to its latest version for glitches to be prevented. Also, if your issue is still not fixed, then you can try from a different device or a different browser and see if that helps in fixing your issue. And if not, then the very most effective method to fix this issue is simply wait for 48 to 72 hours for Facebook to solve this issue by themselves. So, this is how you can fix follow limit reached on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.